In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes to products in WooCommerce. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can follow along on your own WordPress site. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Products section. Hover your mouse over Products, and from the options that appear, click on All Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Find the product you want to add sizes to, then click its name to open it in the product editor. Inside the editor, scroll down until you see the Product Data section. This is where WooCommerce stores all of the important settings for your product. At the top of this box, there's a drop-down menu for the product type. Open that drop-down and make sure Variable Product is selected. Variable products allow you to create different versions of the same item, like small, medium, and large. Next, while still in the product data area, look at the tabs on the left side of that box and click on Attributes. Here you'll see two main fields, one called Name and another called Values. In the Name field, type Size. In the Values field, you'll add the different size options you want to offer. For example, you might type small, medium, large, separating each size with a vertical bar. Add as many sizes as you need for this product. When you're done, click the Save Attributes button. This tells WooCommerce to use these sizes as options for your variations. Now, go back to the left side of the product data box and click on the Variations tab. Inside this section, click the Add Manually button. A new drop-down field will appear. Open that drop-down and select one of the size options you just created. This will create a variation for that specific size. Click Add Manually again to create another field and choose another size. Repeat this process until you've added a variation for each of these. When you've set them all up, click Save Changes and wait for the section to reload. Once the variations are saved, click Add Price. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the prices for your variations. Type in the amounts you want, then confirm by clicking the button to apply those prices. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the page and click the Update button to save your changes and make the size options live on your product page.